Australian Museum shop. So I'm gonna go in there later and have a little look. I suppose I don't think I can fit. Animals in nature.
Good morning and welcome to the Australian Museum. In 10 minutes time at 10:30 there will be a free highlights tour of the museum. Please meet your tour guide at the admissions desk on the ground floor. Just to repeat, in 10 minutes time at 10:30 there will be a free highlights tour of the museum departing from the admissions desk on the ground floor. Thank you for visiting the Australian Museum.
Number. Animal. Stunning. Salmon cassowary, jellyfish, water crocodile, looks like it's eating each other.